scripts. Na? See, if I want to check only basic script,
Mm-hmm.
here, if you are not creating any all the levels, na, how come I recognize which level of where is the basic script? If I am not creating, see, this is FS4 method. If all I mix it up in single step, na, so analyzing is difficult. Here, only basic script. There is no environment. Along with the basic script, environment files are there.
Okay.
Okay, and along with the environment files, next keywords are there.
Okay.
Library keywords. Like that is the purpose. If I want to know library file creation, how they created means, I'm going to check it out, just keywords. In the bracket I written environments. That is only the purpose.
Okay, and functional we divided according to the builds and their functionality, right?
Not builds, modules.
Oh yeah, modules. Okay.
Yeah, according to the modules we divide.
Okay, and in a new test pane, why don't we call the test script? Why only the object repository and the functional library and environment? Why not the test script?
Test script where you will call test scripts for future reference purpose. Where you will call, that is just for reference purpose you created. Where you will associate these scripts. What is the use? If you are associating this test scripts, then what is the use of creating keywords? Entire script lines if you are using, what is the use of keywords to create?
Okay.
This is for reference purpose we created.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you very much.
Fine. No problem. That main concept is keywords. So no need to call any scripts here.
And one more thing, Vidya, you didn't explain us about the last thing, that is result one. Why we create the result folder? What we have to save in that folder?
If I want to open the same keywords, where you will open? Go to File, Open, Test. So Archana's folder in C drive, Archana's keyword, test to log or result. This is my project one. Open it. Then execute. That is the result one.
Okay.
Hit the run button. You can get the result. That result you can save. That result file also you can save it. That is the purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Fine. So team, today we are going to start about recovery scenarios. Let's see. In recovery scenarios, only two are used in the company. So what are all those things? Let's see. Recovery scenarios. Here. Yeah. What is recovery scenarios means? During the executional time, in QTP only, during the executional time, QTP may face some problematic situations. Where it need to recover by itself. So while executional time, QTP will face some problems where it has to resolve by itself only. So for this, we are using recovery scenarios. Problems in QTP, we are calling it as a trigger events. Problems in QTP, we are calling it as a trigger events. So let's see. One is problem related to pop-up window. Then next problem related to object state. Then problem related to test run error. then problem related to application crash. So 4 different problems are there. So here, first problem related to pop-up window. Let's see. First I will show you. So problem related to pop-up window means if there is a problem in test data, this scenario. If there is a problem in application script lines, this scenario. If there is a problem in application and application is not even opening, this scenario. So first I'm going to explain you problem related to pop-up window. So let's see. Here, how many of you having a 10 version? QTP 10 version. If you don't know how to check it, go to file, click on settings. Here you can see quick test professional 9.2. Here 10 will be there. Check it if it is there. Coming topic is easy in your systems. Yeah, coming topic in the sense easy to write the VB script, easy way to write the VB script. So first let's see the problem related to pop-up window. So here I'm generating one script for open order here. So I have activated the flight reservation. Go to file, open order, order number 8. Click OK and stop recording. Just order number 8 you have opened it. Now same thing here in the same way orders. Here 5, 6, 7 by mistake 8, 8, 8 I have entered. 2, 3, 4. So this is my order list. This is my order list. I need to pass. So orders list here keyword view. You can use the keyword view. Through keyword view you can give the parameterization. From parameter this already you know. Click OK. That's it. Go to expert. Now hit the run button. Let's see what happened. Here you made a mistake. While executional time, now QTP facing one pop-up window problem. This is the pop-up window. One pop-up window is opened while executional time, where I'm asking QTP to you resolve by itself only and move on to the next step. What is your next step here? Here, see it says object is disabled. Object is disabled. Click OK. The problem here is this order number does not exist. Go to view data table. Here 8 order number does not exist. That's fine. But my point is what? Okay, there is a problem. I can resolve by my end later because it is done by me. Input data I entered. So rest of the things I'm asking QTP to execute. But it is not executing. It says error message here. It stop you in the middle. It's not executing. Now how to do this process in QTP? So that is only known as problem related to pop-up window problem. Let's see how to do this process. Means here QTP has to resolve this problem by itself. Remember one thing, I need to move on to the next step only. So let's see how to do. Go to resource, recovery scenario manager. Click on new. Here, welcome to recovery scenario wizard. Click next. Trigger events. Problems in QTP, we are calling it as a trigger events. Here, if any pop-up window problem occurs, if any object state problem, if any test runner, if any application crash. Here, this is my pop-up window problem. So select the pop-up window problem. I'm informing QTP like there is a pop-up window problem. Click next. So here it is asking identify the window. So it need one that pop-up window title it's required. Window means title. So window title. Hand icon, click on this title. Click next. Next. Here in this window I want to use keyboard or a mouse operation to click on OK button. But I don't want to close this application process. I'm not creating any functional library files. I don't want to restart my Microsoft Windows also, my computer. Just I want to use my keyboard or a mouse operation. Click next. Which mouse operation where you want to do means on OK button. So that is one button. Click button with label. That label name is OK. That's it. OK button. Click next. After that I need to click on the cancel button also. Add another recovery operation. Same keyboard or mouse operation, which is cancel. Oh, what happened? This cancel button. Keyboard or mouse operation. Click next. Maybe I didn't click on cancel earlier. Click next. No need to add any other one. OK and cancel. Click next. And see, here very important step. I'm not going to stop the script running process. I'm not stopping. I'm not restarting the scripts also. There is no iteration and components. There is no different modules here. Only one module I'm creating. And I don't want to repeat the steps from the beginning. Just I want to move on to the next step only. Click on proceed to the next step. Click next. Recovery scenario means you need to move on to the next step. That is called recovery scenarios. There is a problems. I'm asking you to be okay. That's fine. You move on to the next step. I will see later the problems. Here it is a pop-up. Click next. Add to the current test. Finish. Try to close it. Do you want to save the changes, miss? Yes. So where example here I'm saving with pop-up. Click save. That's it. If you want to see where it is saved, miss, go to file, settings, recovery. Here it's got saved. Now let's see. Earlier it doesn't work. It stopped you here. But it's not moved on to the 2, 3, 4. Now let's see will it moves or not. See, there is a problem, but I didn't change anything in script lines. See, it is moved automatically. It is moved even though there is a problem. It is moved on to the 3, 2, 4 also. This is called problem related to pop-up window. If any pop-up window problem occurs, QTP is going to work in this way. Okay. Is that clear? And very rarely, this is not the why I'm taking this in last, miss. It's not commonly used problems and occurs. So 90% you won't get this problem. In case if it is there, this scenarios you are going to use it. Okay.
It took a long time, right, to do it. I was
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lengthy process. Yes. Yeah. If you made a problem in test data, this is any pop-up windows occurs, and if you are unable to move on to this next step, this is the solution. If you made a script line problem, one script line you missed out. See, 2 problems done by testers only, but you are asking QTP to you just move on to the next step. Example, and here long back you asked me where I can write the VB script manually, means this is the situation. See, apply and OK. I'm activating the application. Go to file, open order, order number 8 example. Click OK. And I close the application. Stop recording. Okay, or else no need to close the application. Just I need to click OK button. That's it. Okay, no need to close. Here. Hit the run button. See what happens. It will works. But if you deleted the script line, there is no script line presented. Hit the run button. Let's see what happens. Object state. Object state means it is enabled or disabled mode. You are going to check it. That is called object state. See. It says object is disabled. That to last line. Last line belongs to OK button and it is disabled. Click OK. See, what is the status of cancel button? Cancel button status is enabled.
Enabled.
Yeah. OK button is disabled. Right? Now, here, when OK button will get enabled? When, dear?
When it gets the order number.
When we will enter
Yeah.
order number.
When we enter something like this, then only it will enabled. Otherwise, it is disabled. Okay. Now, some script is missing to enter data. Go to Tools, Object Spy. Hand icon, click on this location. See, hierarchy. To write the VB script manually, to enter here, first Windows flight reservation. Then dialog open order. Then WinEdit edit box. 3 stages. So let's write the script. Here Windows exact script already hints it is giving. Window flight reservation, dialog open order, WinEdit edit. So here window flight reservation dot dialog open order dot WinEdit
Edit.
yeah WinEdit edit. WinEdit edit dot set example 8 only, which is missing. Okay. Eight. Okay, just you need to write the script where I will show you now. So now you return the script which is missing. Then only it will get enabled. Now go to open one notepad and save it as a example umar.vbs Visual Basic Script. One empty library file you saved it in desktop library file. Nothing you entered over there. Just it's a empty library file. Okay. Now let's see. Same steps. Resource, recovery scenario manager. New indicates symbol. Select it. Welcome to recovery scenario wizard. Next. Here the problem is object state. So select the object state. Click next. Which object? The object name is OK button. Click OK. Next. 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 Here I want one function call. I'm not using any keyboard operation here because it is disabled. Just library file I need to call. Click next. Here browser button, library file, which you saved it as a uma.vbs. Here, click open. Here, whatever script you have written here, copy the script, minimize, Control V. That's it. Click next. No need to add any other one. Next. Then I don't want to stop, I don't want to restart, I don't want to proceed. Next iteration components I don't have. Just I want to move on to the next step to continue to click the OK button. Here, object state. Click next. Add to the current test. Finish. Try to close it. Yes. In batch to object state. So dot to QRS means quick recovery scenario. Click save. That's it. Now already scenario is added. Hit the run button. Now no need to write anything. Here you can't handle it. Now if you hit the run button, automatically it will move on to the procedure. Something which will enter here. It is trying to recognize and see. It will recognizing the object. 8 will enter even though there is no script line. See, 8 is got entered here. 8 is got entered. It is moved. So this is called, anyhow you will get a warning messages only. Why? Because forcibly you are asking QTP to move on to the next step. There is a problem. You have to resolve later, but forcibly you are making. So QTP says, QTP is giving warning. It is working fine, but you are making forcible. So our situation, it is not that much of important team. So our scenario is what? If any problem you made it in script line, this is the, while executional time, if you are asking QTP to handle by itself means object state. If any enable disable problems you are facing, this is the one. If in the application there is a problem, that is developer job, not our job. But I want to move on to the next step to see the next level. This is important team. This is important. You can use this at least, but not this. And not pop-up window, you can use very rarely. That too, how to use means you will get an email like so and so location, pop-up windows are occurring. You can use the pop-up window scenario to check the script lines. You will get each and every task. Don't think that where to start and where to end the QTP. Everything task, it will start in the middle. Once the project testing is started in the manual, it will start in the middle. So let's see, object state. Example, everyone is having these checkpoints. In this, here, basically, version 2.0 is the title. But developer made a mistake as 1.0. There is a mistake of 1.0. Basically, it should be 2.0. So you are raising the concern. But my point here is, anyhow there is a problem, that's fine. Now I want to see all the scenarios also. You are an automation tester only. Here all the functionalities you are capturing and you are saving. When second build is released, you need to recheck all the scenarios. So how to do this process means, first actually the application title should be version 2.0, but here 1.0 is there. Now remaining options I need to see. Keep the tool under recording, apply and OK. So I'm activating the form 1. Here Chennai, Goa, Hyderabad, New Delhi, Mumbai. Clicked on clear button, stop recording. So except to title, all functionalities I captured here. Now you raise the defect. Developer rectified. They released the next build to the testing department with version 2. That's fine, but remaining options are working fine or not, you need to check. Already script you saved it. Hit the run button and see. There is some object is missing. Some problem is there. Read the script line, see the debugging line by line execution process, and it will display the error message. Just see and let me know what exactly the problem. Anyone in the class?
You cannot find out Hyderabad
Why? Because
now only 4 cities are there. Previously we had 5.
yeah. So one city called Hyderabad is missing on the drop down list.
Yes.
Okay. One option is missing on the drop down list. It stopped you. It's not checking New Delhi, Mumbai, clear button. It's not checking. But actually I want to see rest of the things also. But it stopped you here. When you clicked OK button, it will move on to the execution process and displays the result. Then how to see? My point is what? I want to see the second next scenarios are there or not. For this also, see earlier you created one empty library file with name as Uma. Open that one. See what happened. Open with notepad. See whatever script line you entered in QTP, it is getting captured here. In the same way, one library file you need to create one more library file with the name called here .vbs, sakshi.vbs file. But you are not entering anything here. Now go to resource, recovery scenario manager, same steps. Select new here. Just give me 2 seconds. Yeah, I'm back team. Thank you. Now here it says welcome to recovery scenario wizard. Click next. Here the problem is test run error. Means if there is a problem in any application is opened, in the application if any problem is there, that is runtime error. Developer will resolve it. You are not going to resolve anything. But my point here is what you need to move on to the next step. Click next. Here in this application, one item in list or this menu is not found. That is the problem. Select it. Click next. Next. Function call. Next. Browse the library file which you saved with Sakshi. But no need to enter anything. Next. No need to add anything. Next. Proceed to the next step. Next. Here test run error. Click on save. Add to the current test. Try to close it. Yes, I want to save. Here test run error. Quick recovery scenario. Now open the application where there is no Hyderabad here. Hit the run button. It will skip that one. Script line you are not, that will be the read only format. You can't do any modification. It will skip that one. Anyhow, it will give the warning because you made forcibly you are asking QTP to ignore this one and move on to the next step. And it is moved. This is called test run error. Okay. And last option, nowhere we are doing. Even in real time also, if you are getting an application crash, simply we are rejecting the project. 90% it will coming under manual testing only, not in QTP. So only in real time. Application crash means I will show you. In real time, or in company. Only we can do. Very rarely. 90% we can't do, dear, this process. See, just see. Still I didn't use it, to be frank. Still, let me explain. Let me complete the step. Then you can ask me your doubts. I will give the time, please.
Okay.
Okay. Still, till now, whatever the scenarios I used, but this recovery scenarios, test run error I used it, but application crash, that script lines missing, I can use it very rarely, long back. But still now I didn't use it. This application crash. So what is this application crash? How it will looks means, see here. This is the application crash. This kind of error message. If I'm getting this kind of error message, 90% I will get manually. Keep on, I will get these problems, and simply we are rejecting. But automation it won't get, because once the project 80% project is stable, only for 20% only we are using automation. So 80% means complete testing, thorough testing is done already. So in automation you won't get this application crash and all. In case by chance if you are getting means, test lead will reject the project. So this is called what? This is only known as recovery scenarios. Yeah. Now tell me your doubt.
Yeah, Vidya.
Yes.
While inserting a blank text file, how can the QTP solve the problem?
Here QTP is not getting from blank file. Remember,
Mm-hmm.
blank file it is not getting. You use it in QTP the step, it will stored into the blank file. So here go to Sakshi, open with notepad. Nothing is given over there. Library file you created blank only.
Okay.
It is keeping the file. Okay. Here nothing is entered. You didn't enter anything. And with the help of this you are not working. QTP is capturing and storing in that location.
Okay.
Here only you have given, it will
Mhm.
stores.
Okay,
Okay.
so we have to create an empty file so that QTP will get stored his own recovery data in that.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fine.
I had a doubt.
Uh-huh.
Why don't we use remark on the option?
Block the line.
Remark, I mean REM
Okay.
in the fourth
If it
line.
is, my dear,
Block
it is
the
a
one
read.
line.
Yeah, let me tell you. If it is a read-only format, how you will do? You can't do any modifications. That too, while executional time, it will skip it. Okay.
Okay.
On that time, you can't do it. So while executional time, we said, na?
Yes.
While executional time. During the executional time, it will face the problem. So on that time, they are using these scenarios.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. So with this, one topic is ended. Now very important topics called two topics are very important. Easy. If I'm explaining this concept, na, 90% you people never use the parent object child object method and never practice the VB script manually. But please try to practice that only. Because smart work, once you get the job, this is okay. But before that, that concept in the present of interviewer, try to use parent object and child object method. Okay. And Uma, you are having a 10 version, na? Just open the QTP. How many of you are having a 10 version? Open
Me
it.
too.
Yeah.
I also have
Yes,
10
me
version.
too.
Yeah. Just open. Everyone, whoever having, you just open it. I think Bhavana, it's done for you, right? Last topic is not done for you long back. Fine. How to write VB script in different technologies. If project is, yeah, Bhavana, I'm asking to you. On that time, I shared the screen and I explained. Are you there on that time?
Yeah, writing the easy script I was there, but not before that.
Yeah, before that now you came, na?
Yeah.
So writing VB script easy method, you are there, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So if the project is developed in Visual Basic Technology, below is the VB script. Let's say, for example, here it is a submit button. If this application is developed in Visual Basic Technology, as you know, Visual Basic, till now you worked with Visual Basic Technology only. How VB script will looks. Employee is the title, and e-name, EH, and submit button. How VB script will looks for these options. Let's see here. Employee is this is the window, not the dialog. So make it mute, please. Window, employee dot activate. Then window, employee. See, e name, it is a edit box. EH is also edit box. Dot win edit e name dot set ABCD. Same win edit EH dot set 30 years example. Now it's a win button called what? Submit dot click. See, it is a submit button. You're clicking. So if the project is developed in Visual Basic Technology, this is the VB script. That's fine, you know very well. If the same application, if it is developed in JAWA Technology, JAWA, simple thing dear, prefix here, JAWA window will be added. That's it, not other than this. Instead of in JAWA edit box. Anything you can use. Just wantedly I'm highlighting this. JAWA edit box. If same application, if it is developed in .NET Technology, .NET Technology, prefix, it will add SWF, means system window form. System window form and system window edit SWF prefix. Automatically QTP will add. You no need to worry. That is the way is there now. Coming step, I will explain you. If same application, if it is developed in SAP Technology, more than enough dear. Java .NET is more than enough. Even though easy method you will know. SAP means here. And GUI. means prefix here SAP GUI, graphical user interface. So like this script will be displayed. In different applications, how VB script will looks means this is the scenario. Okay. And I can't remember all the steps means no problem. Easy way to write VB script manually, that too without recording. I'll explain you now. No problem. Okay, first thing, if I'm asking to write the VB script manually, way 1 or process 1, how you will write? First, write the script on test pane. Then add the objects into object repository. Who is ready to write this process? Execute or run it. Who is ready to do the steps now?
I am.
Good. So you are ready to write the VB script manually? Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes.
Okay. Sakshi is ready, right?
Yes.
Okay. Share your screen
Okay.
and write down. First process. Sakshi is writing now. Just all of you observe here. Now open the login application and write the VB script manually.
I forgot.
Okay, who is ready now? Class in the class? Please give me fast replies.
Yes, I am.
Uma? Archana is ready?
Yes.
Okay. You should take the help of object spy na Sakshi. Why you have forgot?
Oh yes.
So Archana typing dialogue. See. She has to type everything. Login dot. See, she made a mistake. L should be uppercase. If you take the help of object spy, you will get to know what is real object, what is logical name.
Dialogue.
Click on enter point. So it says, it seems you didn't practice it. Dialog login dot what? Activate. Remove all. Write down dialog. D uppercase. Rest of the team make it mute please. Except Archana. Yeah. Open bracket. So you also not practicing. Open the bracket. Come on dear. What happened? Shift 9. Yeah. L uppercase. You can unmute it, na? Why you are making mute? Except Archana I said. Yeah. L should be uppercase. Capital letter L.
L.
Okay, no matter, you can write down then. So if you are going to write the VB script manually, na, this much of time it will takes to you to write only single line. Only here. Yeah, not even you are using object spy. At least you have to use the object spy. But you are unable to use it. You are unable to access. That's fine. Now, yeah, click enter point.
Enter.
Yeah. Now, here, wait. You have to write in this way. Again, dialog login. Make it fast, please.
Dot.
Dot what then? Static label name. Why you are selecting? Edit box you need to select. Where you are doing action, there you need to select. Win edit agent name. Keep on if you are practicing, na, no need to take the help of object spy. You will get to know. See, this much of time it is taking. Okay? You have to type everything. Now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, wait. You just stop over there. Again I'll come back, Archana. You just stop over there. Now see. So keep on, it is taking time to select. Go to object spy. You need to write. It is a lengthy process to me. Instead of doing this process 2 I will enter. So in process 2, first you can add the objects into the object repository. Then write the script on test pen. You will get the difference now. So same Archana, now you share the screen. Now go to object, go to resource, object repository. All of you can do it by your end, this step. Go to objects, add objects to local. Yeah. Now close the object repository. Now remove that second line, entire second line remove. Now type dialog. If you shift to 9, means you're trying to use open bracket. See what happened? Automatic script got created. Close the bracket. Shift 0 is a close bracket.
Yeah, I know, but it's not doing.
Yeah, dot, win edit. All of you just observe the difference here. If she click on win edit, 2 edit boxes are there, na? It will display those 2 edit boxes. Dot,
Edit.
win edit. Win edit. See. So you will get the already information here. Now Uma, yeah, this is the process. So way 2 is easy for you. Just, yeah, Archana, just leave that one, just concentrate here. So this one, what you will feel, automatically information is giving, hints it is giving. It is one more process to you. Now this is also little difficult to me. Then here, add the objects into the object repository. I will share the screen of Uma now. Hold the, is it yours is 10 version?
No, I am on a no, my QTP is not on now.
Okay, okay.
I'm on a
Hold the
different.
object. Yeah, and I understand here, no problem. Hold the object from object repository. Drag and drop into test pane. Yeah, Sakshi, now you share your screen. Sakshi, Archana, Uma, except and Bhavana. Except this, anyone is ready? Is 10 version is there? Saujanya, Saima, 10 version is there? Will you do this
I'm
process?
not having 10 version, ma'am. I had
Okay, no problem.
9.2.
Yeah, that's good, actually. If you're having 10 version, you won't practice.
I have 10 version.
Okay, is it open, Saima, right now?
Yes.
QTP, everything is open?
Yes.
Okay. Now share the screen. Click on show my screen.
Yes.
Fine. Open the application first. Still you are using external your laptop keyboard, mouse pointer?
Yes.
Try to use the external, dear. It will be easy for you to access QTP.
Yeah.
Now go
Okay.
Okay.
Now I'll
Go
do
to
that.
resource. Yeah, later you do while you practice. When you start practicing, click on resource, object repository. Wait, it is accessing. Yeah.
Oh.
Close this window. Why you are going on? Wait. Yeah. Go to object. Add objects to local. On title you need to click. Where you clicked on title you have to click na. Cancel it. Again go to object. Add objects to local. Yes, on title you have to click. Click OK. Click OK. Okay. Now make side by side QTP and object repository. Now see, hold the login, drag and drop. Hold login, drag and drop it into test pane. Yeah, that login. Hold, drag, drop.
Yeah.
See what happened. Script is created. Wait. Don't do that one. That is a edit. That's not edit box. From the down, edit box, agent name.
Agent name.
Yeah, drag, drop. See team, what happened? Automatically QTP is creating scripts. Then help button.
Easy.
Sorry?
Easy.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, after help button, password. Then OK button. See, everything is generated by QTP. It's a dead easy. When keep on versions are moving, versions are changing, more comfortability it's giving. But my suggestion is in real time you use this one. In present of interview, don't say I will drag and drop. Everyone can do. So parent object, child object method I will use, you have to say. And it's good if
in 9 version there is no option.
Yes, Aujanya. After the version got changed, it means because of this feature it's got changed.
Okay.
Remaining all will be the same to same only. And it's good if you are having a 9. Why? Because don't do drag and drop.
Okay. Then I
will get a
Yeah.
But we need to add like agent name and password, all things.
Yes. Yeah, you have to add it. Yeah, that's it. In test data, you have to add anything, Nadir. Test data, you have to add anything.
Yes.
So this is called what? This is only known as. Sorry. This is only known as writing VB script manually. With this, our sessions called QTP classes. End of QTP classes. And tomorrow, we are going to start with quality center. Max on Friday, 90% on Friday. If needed, Monday will be the extended for class. Then I will email you all the documents. Then doubt class, the time and date you decide it. I will arrange. Then mock interview with resume preparation also you decide it. I will arrange it. Okay. So see you on tomorrow with the quality center classes. Okay. Is
Ma'am?
quality center classes and are completed for you?
No.
Yes. No, right?
No. Yes.
No,
No.
no.
Okay, okay. We can have. Don't worry. So, yeah, Saujanya.
Ma'am, what about my test cases? Is they
Did
are
you
wrong?
check your email?
Yeah, I checked my mail. Actually, you sent me the test cases.
Yeah.
So checking
Just
for.
go through it. Go through it
Yeah,
and
sure.
let me, because all the test cases, little changes are required here. Just
Yeah.
concentrate those file and let me know.
Okay, ma'am. I will check it out.
Yeah,
Thank
check it
you.
out and write down and send back to me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. Yes, team. So today I'm ending up the session for now. Don't miss tomorrow's class. Quality Center we are starting. So already Quality Center is installed in your system. You can practice. Okay. Okay
Okay.
then. Bye
Bye,
bye. Take
ma'am.
care.
Bye.
Bye
Bye
dear.
bye.
Take care. Yeah.
Good night.
Bye dear. Good night.